Here's a quick and easy way to turn a wine box into a wall shelf with the help of Aleene's DIY craft superglue. Here's what you'll need: a handsaw, a pencil, a ruler, a wooden board, sandpaper, masking tape, a wooden wine box, and Aleene's DIY craft superglue. To create 2 shelves, begin by measuring the lengths you need and mark the wooden board where to cut. Saw the wood at the markings so that you have 2 pieces of wood for the shelves. Sand all the edges to help the adhesive adhere to the wood. Apply Aleene's DIY craft superglue to the edges of the wood that will be adhered to the box. Insert the wood and tape into place while the glue sets. Apply glue to the edges of the second piece of wood and insert into the box. Tape the wood in place while the glue sets. Sand any other rough edges of the box and let the glue dry. What a great way to upcycle a wine box, using Aleene's DIY craft superglue to create a clever feature in your home.